My name is Daniel Nguyen, and I'm a student from San Jose State, majoring in meteorology with a concentration in climate science. What we have here today is a temperature change. A temperature change effects on the fishing industry over McAvoy Bay Point. Moving on. So my client gave me some specific details about his area and how climate change could actually affect his fishing industry. So what he wanted to know is how temperature change over the land and ocean within his area, how this change affects the fishing industry, and what type of specific species are affected by climate change. Before we start, I'd like to tell you my methodology. For the ocean frame, I'll be using NOAA's model, the Geophysical Fluid Dynamical Laboratory model. This is from, I'm getting data from a CMET 5 dataset, and the year is going to be ranging from 2005 to 2040. And this model will have 5 ensembles in this type of frame. Next, we have our land frames. I'll be using the downscale of CMET 5 data file with the year of 2000 to 2030, but this time I'm using all the models but one ensemble. So just a little bit of background about the fish. So I'll be looking at striped bass, sturgeons, and some baits such as grass strip. And these temperature temperature threshold where the temperature could actually affect the fish. For example, white striped bass, the temperature threshold for white striped bass is from 61 to 69 Fahrenheit, and for a white sturgeon, 46 to 64 Fahrenheit, and grass shrimp is 68 to 77 Fahrenheit. And this on this slide right here is a typical location I'm looking at. On the right, you see why I chose the ocean model, because I cannot get the Pacific location for the given location, so I took a relative location outside the bay. And for land temperature, I picked exactly that spot, which is on the right side. On this graph right here, it shows the very first ocean frame model. So it's the annual temperature over within the given years, and as you can see that it shows an increasing and warming trend. The trend is actually increasing. And moving on, and this is the multi-model. It looks very noisy, but all the models shows that it's also increasing. So all the models shows that temperature is increasing on land. So I got curious, so I took the ocean data set and then I took out the summer years and the winter years. What I found in the summer years, that the temperature is actually increasing much faster when compared to the annual rate of oceans. And as for the winter, the temperature is actually staying consistent, which is showing that the ocean is slightly increasing, but not at an alarming rate compared to summers. Oops. In conclusion, what I found was that the ocean is actually increasing by 0.007 to 0.12 Celsius, and land temperatures are increasing by 0.027 to 0.03 or 31 Celsius. So my analysis, all the model shows that the land and oceans are actually increasing in temperature. What struck me was that summer months are actually warming much faster than ocean's annual temperature, and due to the increase in temperature, we will see how fish species are affected by these temperature thresholds. Thank you, and my name is Daniel Nguyen.